Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Git installed, Vscode updated, and your GitHub account ready. Once done, open Vscode to the project folder and initialize a repository with Git in it or Vscode. Clone to fetch an existing repo. Make sure your user name and user email are set so commits attribute correctly. If you prefer the command line, run git status to confirm. These first actions create the local repository and prepare Vscode to manage commits and branches. Next, connect Vscode to GitHub by installing the GitHub extension and signing in through the account menu. Alternatively, authenticate with GHauth login for token-based access. Once authenticated, add the remote origin using git remote add origin followed by your repository URL, or use the Vscode source control menu to publish branch. Make sure your branch name matches conventions like main. After adding the remote, run git fetch and git pull to sync history, so pushes and pulls operate without conflicts. Finally, stage and commit changes locally, then push to GitHub with git push uorigin main to establish tracking. Once pushed, verify your commit appears in the GitHub web UI and confirm branch protection or CI checks if present. If push fails due to authentication, regenerate a personal access token, update Vscode credentials, or run GHauth login again. If you see merge conflicts, pull and resolve locally before pushing. These final steps complete the connection and keep your remote and local repositories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.